Good morning from Chicago, the risk management capital of the world. I'm Alan Nuckman here at the CME Group with the Morning Market Stir for Friday, September the 4th, monthly employment data day. We'll get to that in just a moment, but let's talk about yesterday first. Yesterday, gains were given back. Markets finished mixed, essentially unchanged after being 1% higher across the board. Even the S&P peaked at 1973.5, ended up finishing at 1946, which was down 1 point. Dow futures added 18, 16,348, and the Nasdaq backed off down 30 at 42.30. Dollar climbing again up 55 at 96.42, knocking that euro currency back below that 112 level actually. 111.17 down 123. Bonds were steady, 154.15, so they've maintained at this lower level, meaning yields have boosted back higher. Crude oil was quiet, up 50 cents yesterday at 46.75. The high was 48.40 and the low was 45.65, so bouncing back after that bit of profit taking earlier in the week, pressing on that $50 level once again. Gold was down $9 with that stronger dollar at 11.25. So where do we stand here this Friday morning after the employment data that showed we had 173,000 jobs created when the market was expecting 210? Well, that may mean there is going to be no interest rate hike here in September, but we'll have to see. Markets were down 1% ahead of the number and have accelerated the selling since. 1919 is where we stand in the E-mini S&P, down 27. Dow futures down 260 at 16,088, and the Nasdaq at 4171, down 58. The dollar steady at 96.50, up 8. The euros down 7 at 111.25, and we've got the bond market not seeing a big bounce, but up 25 ticks at 155.07. That's got the yields right now at 2.92 in that 30-year and 2.15 in the 10-year note. Crude oil's minus 50 cents at 46.20, and gold's going nowhere, down a dollar. So to wrap up this current action with half an hour to go before the cash stock market open, stock index futures are weaker. Down 27 in the S&P, down 260 in the Dow, and down 58 in the Nasdaq futures. I will see you early Tuesday morning for the Morning Market Stir. Set up your trading day. Alan Nuckman here at the CME Group, where it all comes back to commodities.